Manipulating windows. Any open window can be in one of three states: minimized, maximized, or restored. In a minimized state, the window shrinks to a button on the taskbar, indicating that it's open. In a maximized state, a window occupies the entire desktop, barring the taskbar. This is the largest size a window can be enlarged. A restored state is the intermediate between minimized and maximized. The horizontal bar at the top of the window is known as the title bar. In case of an application, the title bar contains the program icon and the name of the program. It also shows the name of the opened file, if any. If the window shows contents of a folder, then it contains the folder icon and the name of the folder. The extreme right of the title bar contains three buttons. The left one is Minimize. The right one is Close. If a window is in the maximized state, the middle button changes to Restore. If it's in the restored state, the middle button changes to Maximize. Let's open Microsoft Word 2003, located in Microsoft Office Program Group. Click the Start button on the taskbar with the primarily left mouse button. This will open the Start menu. Rest the mouse pointer over all programs. Point to the Microsoft Office Program Group. Highlight Microsoft Word 2003 and click with the primary mouse button. Remember that if you accidentally select any option or command that you do not want to continue, press ESC key from the keyboard. There are many ways you can maximize or restore a window. Click the Maximize Restore button on the title bar. Right-click on the title bar. Select and left-click the Maximize Restore option. Right-click on the Windows taskbar button. Select and left-click the Maximize Restore option. Left-click the Program folder icon, which will open System menu. Select and left-click the Maximize Restore option, or double-click any area of the title bar to toggle between Maximize and Restore state. To minimize a window, click the Minimize button of the title bar. Right-click, that is, click with the right button on the title bar. Select and left-click the Minimize button, or right-click on the Windows taskbar button. Select and left-click the Minimize button, or left-click the Program folder icon, which will open the System menu. Select and left-click the Minimize option. To minimize all open windows, click Show Desktop on the taskbar. To close a window, click the Close button on the title bar. Click with the right button on the title bar. Select and left-click the Close option. Right-click on the Windows taskbar button. Select and left-click the Close option. Left-click the Program folder icon. Select and left-click the Close option. Or hold the key labeled ALT on the keyboard. Press the key labeled F4 and release both keys. You can change a window's width or height only if it's in a restored state. Point to the left or right window border to change the width. When the pointer changes into a horizontal double-headed arrow, drag the border to the left or to the right. To change the height, point to the top or bottom of the window border. When the pointer changes into a vertical double-headed arrow, drag the border up or down. To change the height and width at the same time, point to any window corner. When the pointer changes to a diagonal double-headed arrow, drag the border in any direction. You can change a window's width and height only if it's in the restored state. Choose the Size option from the System menu, which can be accessed from left-clicking the Program folder icon, or right-clicking the title bar, or right-clicking the taskbar button. To change the width, use the left or right arrow keys, and change the height, use the top and down arrow keys. Press the Enter key. You can move a window only if it's in the restored state. Place the mouse pointer over the title bar of the window and hold the left mouse button. Drag the window to the desired location without releasing the left mouse button. Release the left mouse button. You can move a window only if it's in the restored state. Choose the Move option from the System menu, which can be accessed from left-clicking the Program folder icon, or right-clicking the title bar, or right-clicking the taskbar button. Move the window to the desired location using the cursor movement keys, left, right, up, or down arrow, and press the Enter key. Any open window can be arranged in cascade, vertical tile, or horizontal tile fashion. To arrange in a desired fashion, right-click an empty area on the taskbar, highlight and left-click the desired option. Please note that a minimized window cannot be arranged in any fashion. An active window is the one you are currently working on. Whatever you type from the keyboard is received by the active window. There is only one active window at any given time. There are 3 ways you can distinguish an active window from the others. An active window is always on top. Its title bar is highlighted, and its taskbar button is pushed in. To make any open window active, click any visible portion of the opened window to make it the active window. Click the Open Windows taskbar button, or hold the Alt key from the keyboard. Then go on pressing Tab until the desired open window becomes active.